Welcome to the room tour of the Atlanta Marriott Marquis. So here we are walking into the room, and first I'm going to show you the bathroom. So we have a nice adequate sized bathroom with a shower and complimentary pump, shampoo and conditioner, plenty of towels, and then a nice open sink area onto the wardrobe just behind the door. I'm panning round now into the main part of the room. So I have a twin room here, two nice sized twin beds with a luggage area each side where you can put your suitcase. Nice lighting and artwork on the back wall, good blackout curtains, and another luggage area there, and a beautiful large window with a view of outside. Then coming round with another wardrobe. I'm opening it now to show you inside. More hanging area and ironing board. And then we have a large console open desk area with a wooden effect background, an adequate sized television, nice seat, and coming over to tea and coffee facilities. And then underneath we have a mini fridge where you can keep your drinks, etc. And above that then we have a safe as well. Quite a nice modern room, good lighting, and back to the view of the door, and coming round again to the main room. So all in all, a nice large airy room, and I would recommend to stay. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.